Mr. Arif Sapati, and the second is Mr. Sigit Ramno. And also, I want to say thanks to all audience that come enjoy to my seminar today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rema, and my register number is 13, 10, 10, and 71. And the title of my final seminar is the Sign Home Fire Monitoring System via email based on Raspberry Pi. Home fire is very dangerous. It can cause lost material until lost many lives. Home fire can be happen when the owner leaving the home. It caused by carelessness of the owner. For example, in the kitchen like this. When in the morning, the owner cooking the water and you want to go to the office immediately. Before they test the stove still alive. If like that, the whole fire can be happen. So I make a system to monitoring a location like this. That if like this, the owner will be know if there is a fire in the location by immediately. There are two problem formulations in my final project. The first, how to design a Raspberry Pi to monitoring a home via email. And then second, does the type of image attachment will be affect the type of mail delivery. The problem limitation. There are 9 problem limitations in my final project. The first, knowing the working principle of the Raspberry Pi in monitoring the host via email. And the second, using MP2 as a smoke detector. And the third, using 4-unit IC-LM35 as temperature sensor. The fourth, the email that used in the receiver is a Gmail. 5. The connection that used to transmit emails from Raspberry Pi to the user is Wi-Fi adapter that integrated in the Raspberry Pi. And the sixth, file will be decided by user from image that sent by Raspberry Pi. 7. The form of the image that sent by Raspberry Pi to email is an attachment. The 8. The design of the system is using prototype and display home. And the last, the system used when the user leaving the home. There are two purposes. The first, design Raspberry Pi to monitor the home fire via email. And second, knowing the effect of image in time of mail delivery. The benefit of making system, there are two. The first, providing early warning before home fire occurred. And the second, application of Raspberry Pi function in real life to monitor home by remotely. And the methodology. There are 4 methodologies that I use in my final project. The first is method, and the second parameter research. Third, method of collecting data. And the fourth, method of analysis. The basic theory. The basic theory that I use is Raspberry Pi, LM35, a smoke detector, MP2, web camera, the Gmail, and the Arduino. Raspberry Pi is a mini computer. In my final project, I use Raspberry Pi 3. The specification: it has RAM 1 GB. 4-port USB and a Wi-Fi adapter integrated, and also have a Bluetooth. And it has 40-pin GPIO, general purpose input output. And this is the Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller board based on ATmega32A. It has 14 digital input output. The Arduino is used to give instruction to the sensor, temperature sensor, and the smoke sensor. And then this Arduino will use to send the data to the Raspberry Pi. This is the LM35. LM35 is a sensor temperature. It has function to check temperature, magnitude to voltage magnitude. It can measure temperature from 0 until 100 degrees Celsius. This is smoke detector. I use NG2 sensor. There are 4 ports in here. The first is for digital output, and the second is for analog output, and the third is for ground, and this is the VCC, the voltage. And in here, the voltage is 5 volt. And web camera. The web camera in here I use to monitoring the location. Now this camera will be connecting to the Raspberry Pi using USB connection, USB cable. And this camera will be used to capture automatic the location. This is the email. The email that I use in my final project is Gmail. Email is electronic message. Email is method to send message in digital form. This message are sent use the internet medium. So if we want to send an email, we must have a connection internet. And this is the block diagram. In my block diagram, there are 2 locations. The first location of user, and the second is location of monitoring. In the location of monitoring, there are some devices: smoke sensor, temperature sensor, web camera, Arduino, and Raspberry Pi. The temperature sensor and smoke sensor will be connected to the Arduino. Then the Arduino will be connected to the Raspberry Pi using serial communication. The web camera also connected to the Raspberry Pi using port USB, and the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi include there is a port USB and also serial communication, a CPU to process the data, and also web adapter that integrated in the Raspberry Pi. Now from the Raspberry Pi, the data will be sent to the owner of the home using communication email. The owner will be receive the email in attachment form. The flowchart. There are 2 flowcharts in my final project. The first is the system in Arduino, and the second is the system in the Raspberry Pi. The first is in Arduino. The project is start, initialization, microcontroller, temperature sensor, and smoke sensor. And then the next process. The next process is checking process. Is there temperature data? If there is no temperature data, back to the checking process. But if there is a data, if there is a temperature data, continue to the next process. The next process is also a checking process. If there is a smoke data, if there is no smoke data, back to the checking process. And if there is a smoke data, continue to the next process. If there is a data temperature and the smoke data, the Arduino will be send the data to the Raspberry Pi using serial communication and then end. And this is the project system in the Raspberry Pi. For start, initialization, Raspberry Pi, Wi-Fi, web camera, and then this process is the checking process. This is will be checking process. Is there data from Arduino? If there is no data from the Arduino, back to the checking process continuously. And if there is a data from the Arduino, continue to the next process. The next process is the temperature more than the limit? If the temperature less than the limit, back to the checking process data from the Arduino. But if the temperature data more than the limit, continue the checking process. The checking process is there a smoke data. If there is not smoke data, back to the checking process data from the Arduino. But if there is a smoke data, continue the next process. Now, in here, if the temperature more than the limit and there is a smoke data, the web camera will be captured or take image by automatic. Then the image will be processed in Raspberry Pi. Then Raspberry Pi will be send the data to the user using Wi-Fi connection. And this is the output of my final project. When the owner leaving the home, and then there is a fire like this, the smoke sensor and the temperature sensor will be detected, and And then the Arduino will send the data of the temperature data and the smoke data to the Raspberry Pi using serial communication, and in Raspberry Pi will be checking if the temperature more than the limit and also there is a smoke data. The web camera in here will capture this location by automatic, and then the image will be processed in Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi will be send the image to the user using connection Wi-Fi. Then the owner will be receive notification like this, and this is the display of the implementation. Okay, thank you. Any question or suggestion?
Silakan dari rekan-rekan audiens. Ya, silakan. Ya,
Saya Tommy ingin menanyakan, Raspberry Pi kan menggunakan tadi email, jadi tinggal di Raspberry Pi dan penerimanya ada email juga. Lalu bagaimana caranya Raspberry Pi tersebut mengirimkan email ke si penerimanya?
Jadi, saya jawab.
silakan.
Nah, di sini berarti Raspberry Pi harus punya email. Nah, di sini saya menggunakan dua email. Jadi, yang pertama email untuk pengirim, yang satu untuk penerima. Jadi Raspberry Pi sebenarnya tidak bisa langsung mengirimkan ke email penerima ini. Jadi dia harus tetap seperti gimana? Menyuruh email pengirim untuk mengirimkan gambar yang ditangkap tadi ke email penerima. Jadi gambar mana?
Ya,
jadi di sini Raspberry Pi dia nggak bisa langsung ngirim ke sini. Jadi saya menggunakan di sini Raspberry Pi dia cuma bisa memberikan instruksi untuk bisa supaya bisa mengirimkan email. Jadi di sini saya tetap menggunakan dua email. Jadi Raspberry Pi nanti di sini dia memberikan instruksi perintah untuk si pengirim ini. Kan tadi gambarnya kan diproses di sini. Nah, terus Raspberry Pi memberikan instruksi untuk pengirim ini. Nah, pengirim ini nanti akan mengirimkan gambarnya ke sini. Baru nanti di sini si penerima akan menerima gambarnya. Seperti itu.
Jadi berarti pengirimnya siapa?
Pengirimnya tetap sini, si pengirim ini.
Ya, siapa pengirimnya?
Pengirimnya. Jadi email pengirim.
Perlu dijelaskan bedanya antara email pengirim sama email penerima ini bagaimana? Apakah itu email yang sama atau beda?
Oh, gitu. Iya, jadi saya menyediakan dua email. Yang pertama adalah
contohnya apa?
tema ini Telkom.
Nama yang kompleks kali yang kan?
Oh, gitu. Jadi Raspberry Pi itu dia memberikan perintah ke si Yahoo ini, si dari perintah Yahoo.id ini untuk bisa mengirimkan gambarnya. Jadi dia tidak bisa mengirim langsung ke sini. Jadi ini seperti menyewa, bukan ini apa sih? Menyuruh si email pengirim ini supaya bisa mengirimkan gambar. Jadi memang tidak bisa langsung ke sini gitu. Jadi membutuhkan dua ini.
Device-nya, maksudnya device-nya yang kan dia kan nyuruh ke Sindarko X itu untuk mengirim. Nah itu siapa yang ngirim ke situnya loh?
Oh, pakai
yang ngirim ke andanya itu loh.
Jadi maksudnya pengiriman datanya dari Raspberry Pi itu kok bisa nyampe ke email Wi-Fi itu caranya gimana?
Kan menggunakan koneksi Wi-Fi.
Ya maksudnya kan yang klik, bahkan klik send gitu loh.
Ya.
Bahkan yang klik send itu siapa?
Oh, nanti apa namanya? Diberikan perintah di script Python-nya di Raspberry Pi untuk bisa mengirimkan by otomatis dan gitu.
Pas Raspberry Pi.
Tapi yang kan Anda belum jelaskan ya bahwa di Raspberry Pi itu ada program apa?
Oh iya. Ya. Jadi nanti di Raspberry Pi akan disetting program. Jadi nanti dia akan mengirimkan gambar ini. Jadi bukan mengirim sih, menyuruh pengirim ini untuk kirim gambar ke sini by automatic. Jadi otomatis.
Program dia menggunakan bahasa pemrograman
Python. Mulai bahasa Python.
Ya.
Oke, makasih.
Ya, silakan Mas. Ya.
Yang tadi pas di apa tadi yang diagramnya kan itu ada small apa tadi bentar. Nah itu kan ada temperatur sensor sama sensor ya. Nah tadi kan yang dari Mas Eko tadi kan pakainya LM35 yang digunakan sebagai temperatur sensor. Itu untuk smoke sensor sendiri menggunakan apa ya? Tadi kan cuma dijelaskan LM35 yang sebagai temperatur sensor.
Gak usah direkam
sensor
apa?
sendiri itu
Stopnya mana?
sebagai penandanya itu apa ya?